Hello, boys and girls. This is a review of measurement. Today's focus is mass and weight and capacity. The units of measurement we're focusing on will be grams and kilograms. These are the most common units of measurement for mass. The gram is very light. These items weigh approximately 1 gram. 1 paperclip, 1 pen lid, 1 piece of chewing gum. You could also think about 1 penny weighing about a gram too. A kilogram is 1,000 grams. These items weigh approximately 1 kilogram. 1 liter of milk, 2 loaves of bread, 7 apples weigh about a kilogram. Also, think about a kilogram weighing about 2 pounds. So, 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. So 5 kilograms would be equal to blank. Think about how these measures go together. I know that kilograms are bigger than grams, so it takes a lot of them to make 1 kilogram. To get from kilograms, a larger unit of measurement, to a smaller unit of measurement, I will have to multiply. 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So I have to multiply by 1,000 to go from kilograms to grams. So if I have 5 kilograms and I multiply by 1,000, 5 kilograms are equal to 5,000 grams. 3 zeros, 3 zeros. 26 kilograms will be equal to 26,000 grams. Again, multiplying by 1,000 to go from a larger unit to a smaller unit, but these two numbers will be equivalent based on what unit you're using. Here we have something different. We're going to be going from grams to kilograms. Now, grams will be a smaller unit, so again, it takes a lot of them to make a kilogram. Instead of multiplying to go from grams to kilograms, this time I'm going to divide because I'm trying to go from a smaller unit to a larger unit, and it takes less of the larger units. So my number to multiply or divide by would still be 1,000. So 37,000 divided by 1,000 equals 37. You notice the 3 zeros are no longer there. They're taken away when we divide by 1,000. 98,000 grams will be equal to, again, divide by 1,000. These 3 zeros will disappear, and it equals 98 kilograms. A gram is about the weight of a paperclip again. A kilogram is about the weight of a thick book. So remember, kilo means 1,000. So a kilogram is 1,000 grams. 1 kilogram is about the same weight as 2 pounds. This orange weighs 60 grams. Think of 60 paper clips. 5 pears weigh 700 grams. But remember, you have 5 of them, so that's why it's in the hundreds of grams. This bag of chips weighs 350 grams. These 3 boxes weigh 8 kilograms and 100 grams. Think about that. Remember I said up here that 1 kilogram is about 2 pounds. So 8 kilograms will be 8 times 2 would be about 16 pounds. That makes sense. Here we have an elephant. About how much do you think the elephant weighs? Think about what we just learned about grams and kilograms. Remember, 1 gram is like a paper clip. So 90 grams, 90 paper clips, would that be the same size as an elephant? Weight of an elephant? 5,000 grams. Think about it. A kilogram is 1,000. We divide this by 1,000 and it will be 5 kilograms. A kilogram is about 2 pounds. So 5 kilograms would be the same thing as 5 times 2, which will be 10 pounds. Does an elephant weigh about 10 pounds? Okay, now that we've gotten rid of those two, you decide. Think about these two. Which one could it possibly be? Correct answer is 5,000 kilograms. Let's look at our next picture. We have a spider. This spider looks kind of big. So, what would make sense? Think about what a kilogram equals. 2 pounds. Could a spider be 2 pounds? Okay. Think about what would make sense here. Your correct answer is 15 grams. 500 grams would be 1 pound. I don't think this spider is weighing pounds. A refrigerator. Oh, I can't pick up a refrigerator, can you? I can slide it, but I don't think I can lift it. So which one do you think you maybe cannot lift? Which one would make the most sense here? 40 grams, 200 grams, 10 kilograms, or 90 kilograms? Correct answer is 90 kilograms. Let's keep going. We've also talked about capacity. When you measure capacity, we can use different equipment. You could use cylinders, measuring spoons, measuring cups or jugs, beakers. You could use bowls. You could use pots and pans. A lot of your pots and pans have measurements in them now. A liter and a milliliter are 2 units for measuring capacity in the metric system. This bottle holds 1 liter of water. You buy liter drinks all of the time. A milliliter is about 20 drops of water. So this is like a milliliter dropper. A lot of times you give babies medicine from milliliter droppers too. This teaspoon holds about 5 milliliters of fluid. This bottle holds about 1 liter of fluid. So, how many milliliters are there in 4 liters? If 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters, then that means 4 liters would equal 4,000 milliliters. Again, we're multiplying by 1,000. 6 liters will equal blank milliliters. Again, we're multiplying by 1,000, so it would be, let's see what happened here. I didn't put the answer there, but that would be 6,000 milliliters. 10 liters would equal 10,000 milliliters. Choose the better unit to measure each capacity. Write milliliters or liters. An eyedropper, again, would be milliliters. A car's gas tank would be liters. Which would be the better measure here? You have a jug here, big jug. Would it be 20 milliliters or 2 liters? Remember milliliters, think of eyedroppers. Correct answer, 2 liters. A bowl, 700 milliliters. You drop 700 times, or 7 liters. 700 milliliters. 7 liters are not going to fit in this bowl. Remember, a liter is like a jug of soda that you buy. Can you pour 7 of them in here? I don't think so. Bathtub. Lots of water here. 40 liters. That's all, folks. I hope you remember something this time. If you don't, it's a video, so you can go back and watch it again. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.